Wall Street analysts just flagged two stocks with massive upside potential, and both have fresh catalysts happening right now. One has over 113% upside to the average analyst target, the other over 225%. I am going to walk you through both of them today. But here is the deal. I am saving the biggest one for the end. So if you want to know which stock analysts say could more than triple, you need to stay until the very end of this video. Which would you rather have? A stock with 100% upside or one with 200% upside? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And stay with me, because both of these are on my radar for a reason. Welcome to Alpha Breakout Lab, where we bring you free trading education and stock alerts every single week. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I do my homework. And today we are breaking down two stocks that Wall Street is watching closely right now. Let's get into it.
Stock number one is in the AI infrastructure space. And if you have been paying attention to the market, you know that AI infrastructure is one of the hottest sectors on the planet right now. The ticker is WYFI, White Fiber Incorporated, an AI and power infrastructure company with something very rare in this market: scarce GPU cluster exposure. Analysts call it critically scarce power supply for high-performance computing. Here is what the data says. 8 analysts cover this stock. The consensus is strong buy. The average price target is $36.20. The stock is currently trading around $16.94. That is over 113% upside to the average target. The high target is $45. The low is $25. Even the most conservative analysts see significant upside from here. Now here is what makes this one interesting right now. There is a major catalyst pending, the NC1 lease announcement. Analysts say when that drops, this stock could re-rate quickly. And here is something that gives me confidence. Bit Digital owns approximately 27 million shares of white fiber and publicly stated they will not be selling in 2026. That removes a major supply risk. The risks are real. This is still a loss-making company. Timing on the lease announcement is uncertain. Revenue has been lumpy. This is a patience play. But the upside if the thesis plays out is significant. Pro tip: when a major shareholder publicly states they are not selling, that is a confidence signal. It tells you they believe the stock is going higher. Always watch what the big money is doing. Okay, that is stock number one. Over 113% upside. Strong by consensus. Major catalyst pending. But remember, I told you the biggest upside stock is coming at the end. We are almost there. Stick with me for just 2 more minutes, because this next one just had 3 catalysts drop in 1 week. Stock number 2. The one you stayed for. The ticker is CADL. Candle Therapeutics. A clinical stage biotech company developing cancer immunotherapy treatments. And this one just had a massive week. In 1 week, extended long-term survival data was released for their non-small cell lung cancer trial. Citigroup raised their price target from $22 to $26. And they are presenting Phase 3 prostate cancer trial data at the American Urological Association 2026 annual meeting, another major catalyst coming. Here is the data. 5 Wall Street analysts cover this stock. The consensus is strong buy. The average price target is $19. The stock is currently trading at $4.99. That is over 225% upside to the average target. The high target from Citigroup is $26. That is over 420% upside from current price. The company has $119.7 million in cash plus a $100 million royalty funding deal from RTW Investments. Cash runway into Q1 2028. Now I have to be straight with you. This is a clinical stage company. No revenue yet. High risk. There was a recent equity offering which adds dilution risk. This is not a slow money machine. This is a high risk, high reward biotech play. But 3 catalysts in 1 week. Citigroup raising targets. Over 225% upside to the average analyst target. This one is on my watch list. 2 stocks. 113% upside on WYFI. Over 225% upside on CDL. Both with fresh catalysts right now. Always do your homework. Charts don't lie. Never invest more than you can afford to lose.
If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe to Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts and trading education every single week. Builders don't sleep until the dream is real.